What's the meaning of Cambodian? Cambodian. Cambodian.
Cambodian. Cambodian. The term Cambodian refers to people, things or places that are related to Cambodia, a Southeast Asian country bordered by Thailand, Laos, and Vietnam. The country is known for its rich culture, heritage sites such as the temples of Angkor Wat, and traditional practices such as Khmer dance and music. Cambodians are predominantly Khmer-speaking and have a history dating back to the Khmer Empire, which was established in the 9th century. Despite the country's challenges, including political instability and poverty, Cambodian people continue to demonstrate resilience and a strong sense of community spirit.